humans and plants are dependent on one another. It's nature's life cycle and we should not disturb it by mistreating animals. Many organizations are also working to save animals' lives, like WWF.
Now we will witness the performance of students from class 3 dressed as different animals.
Like horses, donkeys, oxen and camels are used in carts for carrying heavy loads. They must be treated kindly and should not be overloaded.
They are also hunted for commercial use. People get handsome amount of money by selling their skin, which is later used for accessories like coats, jackets, bags, shoes and belts.
Some animals are used for entertainment purposes like dogs, camels, horses and dolphins. They are used for racing, fighting, shows and circles. But there is a health concern for human and animals. For human it is a source of income, but animals suffer atrociously due to harsh work out of and punishment-based training. Thank you.
Tigers, lions, monkeys and lots of other animals are kept in zoos. They demolish their feelings and emotions. Some creatures are they have destructive motives with no freedom, segregated and violent leaders.
Fighting animals like this.
They have equal rights as human beings. They must be treated with love and affection. However, unfortunately, animals are being ill-treated by human beings. We have a forum where my class fellows will give you awareness about